Did you know that stacked bar charts and stacked column charts are both valuable tools for displaying categorical data? As data analysts, it's crucial for us to understand when and how to use them effectively. A stacked bar chart represents data using horizontal bars segmented into different subcategories, while a stacked column chart uses vertical bars segmented in the same way. Understanding the context and purpose of your data visualization is essential. A stacked bar chart is ideal for comparing the composition of values across different categories, while stacked column charts are excellent for showing changes over time or comparing data points within a single category. As data professionals, we should choose the chart type that best conveys our message to the audience. A stacked bar chart is a graphical representation where bars are segmented into multiple parts to show the composition of different categories within each bar. The segments are stacked on top of each other, illustrating the total value of each bar and the contribution of each category to that total. Key features: composition comparison. Stacked bar charts are effective for comparing the composition of categories across different groups or time periods. Total value visualization. They provide a clear visualization of both the total value, height of the bar, and the relative proportions of different categories, segments, within that total. Easy identification of trends. Trends and patterns within categories across different groups or time periods can be easily identified. Use cases: comparing sales distribution across different product categories. Analyzing budget allocations across departments or expense categories. Visualizing market share of different companies in various regions. A stacked column chart is similar to a stacked bar chart, but the bars are arranged vertically. Each column represents a total value, and the segments within the columns illustrate the composition of different categories contributing to that total. Key features: temporal or categorical comparison. Stacked column charts are ideal for comparing changes over time or the composition of categories within each total value. Total and subcategory visualization. They provide a visual representation of both the total value and the breakdown of categories within that total. Clear identification of patterns. Patterns and trends within categories or over time can be easily identified, aiding in decision-making processes. Use cases: tracking quarterly revenue across different geographical regions. Analyzing monthly expenses across various cost centers. Comparing annual profits across different business units. Until next time, stay curious, keep learning, and I'll catch you in the next video.